incredible family commitment to innovation and quality. This is the Amwood Custom Home story. Take one step into an Amwood facility and you will see action. Amwood is a company on the move and has been since 1959, when Amwood began as a custom home builder. In 1973, Amwood began designing and manufacturing building components and changing the home building business throughout the Midwest. Today, decades later, Amwood has two component plants, one in Madison, Wisconsin, the other in Toledo, Iowa. It all begins at the corporate office in Janesville, Wisconsin, where Amwood designing and engineering is done. Thousands of home buyers and scores of builders simply love Amwood because Amwood is an innovative national leader in the cutting-edge ways to build better homes. Jeff Allberger is a top-quality custom home builder in southeastern Wisconsin. He might be the most green builder in America, a true innovator. And he uses Amwood because he says Amwood is simply incredible to work with.
They're still a family organization. I can call and talk to the owner of the company. He's interested in what matters to me, and he's been willing to work with us to really push the envelope on what matters about green building, about the things that make us different than the average builder.
Not only are we experienced and knowledgeable, and we've been around a long time, but we know the business. We started as a builder. And right now, I'm president of the Wisconsin Home Builders Association. And so I am a builder. I know building, but I know components. And so we can help the builder. And a builder can do it all himself, but it's a lot better if he has a team to help him. And that's what we do.
We were there one day when builder Jeff Allberger of Preservation Homes and a couple buying one of his homes watched the Amwood team do their thing. It was unbelievable. Amwood trucks rolled in early in the morning and worked with the precision of a well-oiled machine, fitting every component in place. Preservation has special instructions, such as gluing the components to make sure there's no air leakage. Preservation uses staggered studs to increase the R value of the walls, making the home more energy efficient. And all of this work is done in an Amwood plant. By 3 o'clock that day, the floors were installed, the walls were up. Within a few days, the house was under roof. Using Amwood saves builders and home buyers lots of time.
10 to 20% less time, and so the time is an important factor, but we look at the quality. Right. You know, whether a customer moves into a home 1 month or a month later, that's important, but that's not the bottom line. The bottom line is they have a quality home that they can depend on forever.
Doug and Amwood President Virgil Waugh are hands-on guys. At the Amwood headquarters in Janesville, Amwood engineers draw up plans using state-of-the-art computer programs. Once those plans are finalized, the building process begins. Virgil took us on a fascinating tour of the Amwood plant in Madison. Virgil has been here for over 30 years, and many Amwood team members have been here for decades as well. Experience and innovation matters.
Many of our employees have been working for the company for 20, 25, 30 years. There's several guys right here in this room that are closing in on 30 years. And that quality is instilled there, been instilled for a long time.
Amwood does it all, from design, engineering, to building roof trusses, decks, flooring, stairs, you name it. We watched two Amwood veterans install a top-quality Anderson window in a wall, which will be shipped right to the job site. This job is done inside, out of the weather, by guys who've been doing it for years. And imagine being able to ship the walls with glass in them. Amwood does it every day. Everything that comes out of an Amwood facility is built with top quality. Out on the job site, you really see that. Amwood trucks are even loaded in the exact right order. The job foreman unloads them in the order in which they will be attached to the house.
It's an interesting process because it's almost like a puzzle. And you know, the problem with a puzzle when you open a box is the pieces are scattered everywhere. You know how long it takes to put that together. This would be similar, but because of the way that each wall section, floor section, roof truss is built indoors, it's then staged in a fashion that when it gets to the site, it offloads in the exact fashion that we need to assemble the home. It expedites the process beyond belief. You see the home go from a foundation to the structure being erected completely in the course of a day. It's an amazing process, and yes, quite frankly, I am almost amazed every time we see it.
Everything is sequenced, even here at the plant. You know, we looked at the trusses being built today, And the trusses that are being cut today, those are for the same home as the wall panels that we're looking at now. The floor deck that's being built shortly, that's for the same home. And so everything comes together, it all comes out of the plant and is shipped to the job site. Then when it's at the job site, we actually build it in a reverse order here, so the last on is the first off.
Amwood's plants are filled with state-of-the-art equipment, such as this computerized lineal saw. It cuts with such precision and speed that it virtually eliminates mistakes and waste. Amwood is very green and has been a leader in utilizing materials. Amwood has been committed for many years to educating builders on green building practices. Remember, when looking for a quality built home, contact Amwood for the location of the closest Amwood builder who can work with you.
We can build any level of home for a homeowner. We can build a starter home, we can build a second time, third time, whatever. And we can build from 1,500 square foot ranch to a 4,000 or 5,000 square foot two-story. Actually, the wall panels that are being built right here are about 3,500 square foot two-story home that's being built.
We took a look at several homes built by Amwood in several price ranges. They were all stunning and very well-built homes. Amwood also has a large showroom at its Janesville headquarters to help builders and homeowners make some of the many choices that go into building a home. Amwood encourages builders to bring clients to the showroom. It saves everyone time and makes the building process smoother. Amwood Custom Homes, one of America's best builders of homes and building components. And at Amwood, it's all about a great team of people working together for decades, driven by Midwest values and a commitment to quality every single day.
I've got a great team here. And in any company, in any business, you can't do it all yourself. And I always say to anybody that I can do anything, but I can't do everything. And I've got a lot of good associates working with me.
Amwood Custom Homes, your best investment. Let Amwood build your dream. For Builder Spotlight Television, I'm Rich Noonan. We'll see you next time.